V1S Pro rear camera. The original camera on the corresponding port of V1S Pro. Click Detect. When it shows camera data read succeed.